Now we are landing. Islamabad Airport, Benazir International Airport. We are landing on Benazir International Airport. This is our beautiful Pakistan, and this is the capital of Pakistan, Islamabad. We are arriving on Benazir International Airport. PIA flight was very cool, and we really enjoy in PIA. Beautiful weather in Pakistan. See the clouds and the fog. The beautiful Pakistan. Now we are arriving. The metro bus of Islamabad. This is the Benazir International Airport. Now we arrived in Benazir International Airport. I think within 2 or 3 months this airport will change. The service was very good and very excellent. The staff was very good. Okay, thank you, bye.